Hi, I'm Chef Andrew from Kikkoman. Today we're talking about sauce hacks. Sauce hacks are an easy way for you to create your own signature sauces by combining Kikkoman with common everyday ingredients. Today on the menu is sweet and spicy soy. So I measured in Kikkoman Unagi or sweet soy sauce, and then I'm going to mix it with Sriracha, award-winning Kikkoman Sriracha, and Kotteri Mirin. And then it's just as simple as whisk them together. You can measure by weight or volume depending on what you do in the restaurant, and you can multiply by 2, 3, 4 times depending on how much volume you need. Sweet and spicy soy is great on any kind of grilled meat, a rib sauce, sandwiches, and perfect for burgers. Sweet and spicy soy.